desert environment of Palm Springs served as the foundation for every element of this residence's design, shaping its orientation, floor plan, materials, and finishes. Sitting lightly above the natural boulders of a native arroyo, the house appears to float above the terrain, blending into the land without disturbing it. Elevated above the LaQuinta Valley floor, the home enjoys sweeping views, merging the rugged beauty of the desert with modern architectural sophistication. This juxtaposition of lightness and rootedness defines the structure, allowing it to feel both part of the landscape and set above it, creating a harmony between the built environment and nature. Embracing the principles of desert modernism, the design incorporates horizontal lines, natural materials, and vast expanses of glass. The residence is made up of two rectangular wings, connected by a glass bridge that offers a tranquil moment of passage upon entry. This bridge also defines two internal courtyards filled with native desert plantings, with trellises above casting dappled light into these spaces. From various vantage points within the home, the courtyards create visual connections to the rugged surroundings, while strategically placed floor-to-ceiling glazing frames breathtaking views of the desert. The blend of indoor and outdoor spaces is seamless, reinforcing the home's relationship with its environment. The exterior of the residence reflects its desert surroundings through the use of earth-toned plaster, textured concrete masonry, and brass paneling, which will gracefully patina over time. The main wing, with deep overhangs, contains the primary living areas, while the smaller wing houses guest accommodations and a garage. Inside, the palette echoes the hues of the desert: sage greens, dusty pinks, and sandy browns combine in a muted yet elegant manner. Custom wood furnishings and plush seating soften the more severe aspects of the desert, creating a warm, inviting interior that contrasts yet complements the starkness of the surrounding landscape. Whether relaxing by the pool or lounging indoors, the design allows the owners and their guests to experience a seamless transition between the tranquility of the indoors and the striking natural beauty just beyond its walls.